no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys a special video. This is a get ready with me, and I am collabing with Miss Weezy Wig Reviews, and she has come up with an amazing collab that consists of several of y'all favorite wig baes. Okay, we all joined forces for the month of February because it is Black History Month, and this series is called The Strong and Beautiful Slay. This video is to honor and share with you the proud histories of some of our past and present African American trailblazers who've opened doors for many of us and has given a face to our greatness as a culture while we're slaying. So today I am giving you guys a get ready with me. So the trailblazer that I decided to honor is Miss Raynell Stewart, aka Miss Super Scent, aka the CEO of the Crayon Case. Y'all, let's start here. Who didn't want to be a crayon cutie? Okay. Who did not want to be a crayon cutie? Miss Super Scent is an amazing woman that created a lane for a different type of MUAs. She released a makeup line where you didn't have to be a professional. You didn't need to have millions of followers. Like, she literally opened the doors for MUAs to express their creativity and to be themselves. And for that, I honor her. So a little bit about Super Scent. Super Scent is a New Orleans native. Before coming into the spotlight, Super Scent worked hard as a housekeeper and later as a waitress. And y'all already know we love an underdog story. We really do. She really got it out the mud, y'all. And for that inspires me as an entrepreneur every single day. But before the Crayon Case, she was a social media sensation back in 2013 after she went viral on the Vine app for her very funny comments, opinions, and comedy clips. So according to Google, the Crayon Case was created in 2017 in the month of June. But with the release of the Box of Crayons palette in January 2018 is when the sales really started to come in. And everybody knows on November 27th is when she made $1 million in 90 minutes on Cyber Monday. 90 minutes. She made $1 million. Do y'all hear me? That's power. That is power. So the Crayon Case is a cosmetic line dedicated to amateur makeup users, aspiring makeup artists, as well as makeup lovers to have fun with makeup, treating their face as a blank canvas, and the crayon makeup as their tool. Actually, to see a Black woman contribute to the world of beauty is so inspiring. I feel like Black women are the blueprint when it comes to beauty. The makeup industry and beauty world is finally embracing Black women to a certain extent now. And I just love how we are putting our footprints in the beauty world, y'all. So what better way to honor the Crayon Case and Super Scent by using the Crayon Case products up in this video, okay? This video actually reminded me how therapeutic doing my makeup is on camera, y'all. So I might be doing more makeup videos on my channel. I don't know, y'all. It was just so peaceful. I just love doing my makeup. I love doing my makeup, and it's been a long time since I did it on camera, so here we are. But yes, this is a nice, simple one shadow look that you can do for Valentine's Day. All the products that I did use in this video today will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys are reading that. If y'all want to know how I put this wig on my head and where this wig is from, this wig was created by another black woman. Okay, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Because I'm giving y'all blackness all up in this video today. But yes, this wig was created by a black woman as well. I actually did a review on this wig already, so I will be dropping that link. So you guys go make sure you go check that out. And also, the robe that I'm wearing, guess what? Guess where I got it from? A black woman. A black woman. I got this robe from a lingerie boutique called Snack Time. Y'all, her information will be in my description box as well. Y'all, go make sure y'all go support a black woman today. It's just that easy. I would like to do a shout out to all the ladies that's already created a video for this series. Y'all make sure you guys go on their channel and look at their videos as well. I've learned great information from this series alone. I really enjoyed the video about Ruby Bridges as well as Jackie Aina. Like, y'all, please go check out this series. I just want to acknowledge the range that we have of innovators and trailblazers that we have in our community and our culture. So yes, y'all make sure you guys go check out our strong and beautiful Slay playlist as well.
Yogic.
This video also actually reminded me how much I need to go buy some more crayon case products. I really want to try their concealers, and I already have their setting powder, which was amazing. I was in the color N, I believe. I will have everything that I used in this video in my description box below, so make sure you guys go check that out. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Weezy Wig Reviews so much for asking me to be a part of this collab. I love when Black women work together. I love when women work together. We are a force to be reckoned with when we are teamed up. Do you hear me? Okay, so y'all make sure y'all go check out the series. Y'all go make sure y'all check out that Strong and Beautiful Slay series and watch the other wig baes slay, as they give y'all great information about African American trailblazers on their channels as well. All of them will be in my description box too, so y'all make sure y'all go support. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.